Evan just talking. I was like, hee hee, let me buy some stuff. Also new nails because tomorrow is Halloween. So, oh, I just put them on. So I probably have glitter and stuff. Oof. Sorry, I should have opened this way before. These are second print. If you know, then you know. So my Luna collection is pretty much done. I don't know if I'm going to collect all the versions, but I do have all of the B versions except for Hyunjin and Heejin's. But this was the first time I ever saw GOT7 at vintage stock, so I bought it. We're going to save that for last. So we're going to start with Chari. Excuse me. Her color is purple and her animal is the bat. Don't ask me what her shape is because I don't know. She is in odd eye circle, I believe. Oh wait, the photo card. If there is one, oh there is. Oops. Okay. Her styling was really good. Very flowy, cute. I would definitely say she's in like my top 4 of favorites. And that's it. So let's see the photo card. Oh, she's so pretty. Ah! Oh, they look different. A little different. The logo looks a little different. Wow. Okay, yay. Just gonna scoot you over there. Okay. This is Kim Lippy. Color is red. Her animal is, I think, the wolf. Don't quote me on that. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Sorry. Red, or is it like rose? I think it's red. Deep red. Eclipse. Oh, I forgot about the photo card. Is it at the end? Okay, cool. I love these photos right here. They're my favorite. The black background just looks amazing. Okay, let's see our card. Oh, she's so pretty! Oh my god. Love it. Yes, Luna. So I was not planning on collecting all the members, but I think I'm going to collect all the members because, I mean, I need something else to collect. I already collect all of Jackson's. Ooh, I have, oh, is this the group one? I think, oh god. It is the group one. Oh, look at him sleeping. Okay, y'all gonna freak, but we're going to open this. I believe the one that I got, my, see, this is why I'm not allowed to do stuff like this. Especially with these talons. I'm sorry. Look away. Look away. Oh, and a group sleep too. cute. Woo. Other than me absolutely destroying it. Okay, there are photo cards. Let's see. 2, I think. Oh, and it comes with a postcard. Ah! Oh no, I already saw. Oh my god. This is it. Okay, that stressed me out. Okay. I have the Jackson one, so all the pictures were just him, which I mean, I'm not complaining, but oh my god. Can we have a GOT7 comeback announcement already? Just saying. Oh, look at him. Oh, Olivia was so freaking good. So good. All of their solo tracks. Perfect. Maybe I will show you guys my full Jackson collection later. Like all of my postcards, all my display stuff. So let me know if you want to see that. I have a Mark and Bam Bam curse when I buy albums. So we will see. Unless I buy like a ton. But we'll see what I got this one. But I'm going to go to the vintage stock by my house tomorrow. And hopefully they don't have another one because I'm going to get it. Okay. Okay, already you can kind of see who this is. It says Olivia. So look at the handsome boy. I love these little postcards. Remember postcards? They're very cute. I didn't think I would like them. Okay. Oh, look. See? Mark curse. I'm telling you. Look at the little birdie. That's us. Oh, no. My light went off. Okay. Anyways, we're going to finish this. I just had it on a battery pack. Oh, look. Another Mark. Shocker. Then... And a Jackson one. Oh, my God. Hello, Markson and you. Okay, so since my ring light died, we're gonna call it that. So yeah.